Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TikTok Business Center for Creator Ad Strategy, full guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the TikTok Business Center website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have a TikTok account, you can use those credentials to log in. For new users, fill out the registration form with your business email and create a password. After you submit the form, you will receive a verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the TikTok Business Center and log in using your credentials. Next, complete your business profile by entering relevant information such as your business name and website. Select the appropriate business type from the drop-down menu to help TikTok tailor your experience. After filling in the basics, review and accept the terms of service to proceed. On the dashboard, look for the option that says Ad Strategy or Creator Ad Strategy. Click on that option to start setting up your ad campaigns. Choose whether you want to create an ad account for yourself or on behalf of another user. If creating for another user, enter their business information as prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your payment method for advertising campaigns. Next, explore the various ad formats available on TikTok, such as top view or in-feed ads. Select the ad format that suits your marketing needs best. Now, configure your campaign settings, including target audience, budget, and duration. Once everything is in place, you can create and upload your ad content. After finalizing your ad, review all details and confirm your campaign setup. Monitor your ad performance through the dashboard for insights and optimizations. Continue to adjust your strategy based on performance metrics to enhance ad effectiveness. Congratulations, you are now registered with TikTok Business Center and can start implementing your creator ad strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.